Okay, let's give this thing a scrub here. There's a magnet we keep in here, and the magnet is for getting off the metal filings. You want to get the magnet clean. Ugh, this is a mess. I don't really have a shop here. I'm working in a hotel parking lot because I don't have a garage here. But I can probably get things done enough here that we're going to be okay. I just want to get some of the really nasty stuff out of here. So that's really black. I mean, it shouldn't be that black, but it is. So let's keep getting some towel in here and see how it turns out. I guess if I had a professional service, I would be rinsing this in engine cleaner or something and getting it nice and clean. As long as I can get all the black glue out of here, that's all I need to do. This is sort of therapeutic after doing IT work all day. Sort of. I have trouble with heavy bolts and nuts and things that are really jam rusted on. I have trouble with upper body strength these days, loosening fasteners like ball joints or things like that. I really hurt my shoulder on this car over the weekend trying to get my right tie rod loosened up. I never did get the right tie rod loosened up, so that looks better, doesn't it? Even though it doesn't look clean, it's looking a lot better. There's the first rag right there. There's the second rag right there. Here's the shop towel. Let's see if we can get this thing cleaned up here a little more in the parking lot. So I kept wondering where this sand comes from. You see the sand here? All the sand under the car? I'm thinking, how the hell does sand blow over here every day? And it became apparent and obvious to me that the sand blows over here from the Providence airport. So if you look here, those lights are part of the Providence airport, and there's jets lining up here that are taking off, and when the engines throttle up, they must push dust out here. I don't know where this stuff comes from. I don't think we're that far from the ocean, but I mean, it doesn't feel like we're on the ocean here. I've seen very little of Providence. I've been here 2 months, and I've been working on this, shall we say, POS for a while. And I really want to get done with this car because I really am getting sick of working on it. Want to enjoy it. Anyway, I didn't want to run around with ratty transmission fluid and worry about the transmission blowing up, so I've changed every other fluid in this car: the oil, the front differential, the transfer case, the back differential. The transmission was all that's left, and since I hate crawling into the car, actually it wasn't so bad because the car is up on the sidewalk here, so it's not so bad. Anyway, I gotta dump that stuff into a recycle bin and recycle it and put it back together. So thanks for watching.